Aloha. Okay, I know that we normally have issues when just starting out in React between using the bracket and not using the bracket. Here it says attempted import error. Navbar does not contain a default export imported as navbar. So it is stating that it does not contain a default export. But if I include the curly braces, let's see what happens. We see our navbar component being displayed on the screen. So we should are we saying that we must include our imports between curly braces? Not at all. Here's why we got the problem previous. Let's remove the curly braces. Run back our program. See if we get that same problem. Attempted import error. Yes, does not contain a default export. Let's go to our navbar class. Navbar, what is the meaning of this export? We write our program, we import our file, we wrote our arrow function, and we return a message, a JSX component, and then we export it. Just like a return, we are returning the return. What if we remove this export and then run our program? What would be the output? Would it be the same as this that I'm getting here? Because if I did not export it, it could not be received in the app section, although it is showing you that it is highlighted that it is imported. But if it is highlighting that it is imported, but I never exported it. We got the set issue attempted input error does not contain a default export. Let's see this export this. Let we can do what this say. Let's export this default. Export default. Now let's run our program and voila. So if we go back to app class, notice that we did not use a curly brace here. So when we are not using a curly brace, ensure that the component has a export default rather than just a export. So if we just export it in that component where we want it to be imported, it must be between curly braces. But once we export it, export the default, we can call it in that component without specifying it within curly braces. Thanks for watching.